So hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, my name is Nakul Kumar and I teach you English as a teacher. But yes, I am not a certified teacher. I am doing all this just to fulfill my dream of speaking English, right? That is why before I dive in, I wanna make sure that I might make mistake. You don't mind it, right? Because as I told you, I am not a certified teacher, right? Okay, so in this vlog, guys, first of all, I would say even I don't know what are kind of things I am going to show you or teach English, right? But yes, whatever things or object I'm gonna come across with, I will make sentences by using the particular object or things, right? Such as I have a scissor, or you can say sickle, right? It has a specific name that is called sickle, but if you guys don't know, then you can call it sickle. So that means dosto, such kind of English sentences I'm gonna teach a lots of English sentences in this blog that you can use it in your conversation or daily life, right? So that's why I want you to please watch this video until it end. And now you might be wondering, Nakul, where are you right now? So right now, if you guys have watched my previous video, then you guys would know that my first job is to tie up my cattle here, as you can see in the ground in my crop, right? And now I am going to cut some corn leaf. Actually, this morning my mom asked me to get some corn leaf. So that is why first I am going to cut some corn leaf, then I will take them home, and then I am not sure what or kind of things I am going to teach, right? But you just watching. Okay, so now I am next to my corn crop. If you guys want to see, now you can see this is my corn crop. Okay, now you can see, okay, I'm going to show you through my rear camera. Okay, now I'm going to closely show you. As you can see, this is my corn and this is corn plants, right? Okay guys, so first of all I am out of breath because I just got it right now, as you can see. Actually when I was getting it, I was feeling too much weight because of this corn, right? Because it is too much weight. So that is why when I was bringing on my head, I was feeling too much weight and I was struggling to get, right? And yes, if you want to make a sentence by using, means if you have a question कि नकुल अगर मैं आपकी जगह होता तो मैं 2-4 बोझा एक ही बार में घर ले आता, मतलब 2-4 बोझा एक ही बार में घर ले आ पाता, तो इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे कहोगे? तो इस तरह का सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए इफ़ आई वेर यू, यानी कि अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता, यानी कि अगर मैं तुम होता, इफ़ आई वेर यू आई वुड हैव एबल टू टेक देम 1 or 2, 3 corn bottle in one time. Yes. And now I want you to make a one sentence by using अगर मैं आपके जगह होता तो मैं बिल्कुल भी काम नहीं करता. Please make a sentence of it and let us know in the comment below. And now I want to wash my face a little bit and my feet because you know it's messy. Okay, so now I just wash my face and time to dry off my face with this towel. And now I have take off my shirt because I was feeling too warm, right? I was feeling too much warm, so that is why in order to feeling well, I take off my shirt. When I was putting this shirt on me, that means I was wearing my shirt. And now I have worn my shirt and now it's time to buttoning off my shirt. I am buttoning off my shirt. Okay guys, so now actually I am feeling hungry and I see in my home there is no one here. Actually I saw my sister when she goes to school and my mom is also not here. I think my mom would be busy in any work, I think. So that is why neither my mom is here nor my sister. Now first I am gonna call my mom to feed them to me anything for eat, because as I said I am feeling hungry, right? Wow, see what I got. This is called papadam. This is called papadam and I'm gonna eat them. Have you guys ever eaten this thing? If yes, please let us know in the comment below. And also, did you guys know the name of it before I told you the name of it? Please let us know in the comment too. Okay guys, so now I just finished to cut all of this corn leaf. Now as you can see with this scissor. Actually as I showed you earlier, my mom was cutting and I thought why not to cut instead of her, right? So that is why I finished quickly. And now I will eat something, because as I told you earlier, I am pretty hungry. Now I am going to show you one thing. As you can see, it has, can I say it, trash? I don't know what this is called, but it has rice. That means you know what this is, right? Actually, I have been to a rice mill to convert my paddy into rice, right? And actually here I would say sorry to you, because I didn't show you the view of that place, because while speaking I stumble sometimes, so that is why I do not want to speak in front of them, right? So that is why I didn't show you that place, right? Yes, some videos will come after few days, but first actually I would like to improve my fluency, then I will make, right? Because right now I myself don't know how to speak fluent English, so that is why I avoid speaking in front of people, right? So that is why first I would like to improve my fluency, then a lots of content will come where I am speaking in front of people, right? So now it's 12 p.m, right? And at this time means the time is to give water to my cattle, right? So that is why at afternoon I am going towards river to give water to my cattle, the cattle that I have tied in this morning, right? And as I showed you earlier, right? Okay, so first let me reach to my cattle, and then I am going to show you the view of the river, right? And also if I want I can teach you English by using this towel, right? Actually today I have brought this towel in order to protect from the sun. Actually this is sunny day, it is very sunny day, right? So that is why in order to protect from the sun I have brought this towel, right? Okay guys, so now I am here walking in the sand of this river, now as you can see. But here I want to show you one thing. Actually someone has passed away, I think, because there are a bunch of people next to me across the river, and they have brought a passed away person, right? And some of them are preparing for, आज को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते भाई, मतलब समझ गया ना, they are preparing for firing him, right? The person who has died. And my cattle are pretty thirsty, so that is why they are going to drink water now, as you can see. Okay guys, so now I am here in the set of this river. Actually today is very sunny day, and also I have tied one of my cattle here, as you can see. This is rope, and I tie in the set of this tree, as you can see. One of my cattle I have tied here, because as I said, today is not just sunny, it's scorching hot, right? So that is why I tie them here, and now it's time to back home, so that is why I would like to go home. And also here I want to say one thing guys, because of not having grass in this place, today I will have to come a bit earlier to move here to there, right? Because now as you can see here is no grass. Okay, bye bye. And next to me there are a bunch of people who are threshing corn with the thresher. Okay, now I'm going to show you, but yes, I am not gonna show you closely, because if I will speak English in front of them, as you know what will happen, right? So that is why I avoid speaking in front of a lot of people, right? Okay, so now first let me hit the road, and yes, if I will get anything to teach, then I will try to teach, right? But for now let me reach home. Okay guys, so I have got a splinter in my hand now, as you can see. I am not sure you are able to see or not, but yes, here I have got a splinter. And actually it's happened many a time while walking outside from my house. And also today also I have got a splinter. And now there are some people who is coming. Actually they are also going to river to tie their cattle, and I am the one who has done. I am shaking my hair because it is wet. So in order to dry off my hair, I am shaking my hair. Actually just after lunch I would like to have a rest by sleeping, so that is why now I'm gonna have rest by sleeping. So hey guys, so now I am here again outside from my house and going towards river to get my cattle, right? And by the way guys, here I want to say one thing. This is my crop, and yesterday maybe I might give water in it, right? Because this crop soil has completely arid, so that is why in order to make them alive I need to water them, right? So that is why I just meant to say please subscribe to my channel, cause next video will be better than this vlog, right? So that is why I want you to please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such kind of videos, right? And now, as I told you, right now I am going towards river to get my cattle. Okay guys, so now I am here while grazing my cattle here, now as you can see. But before I talking about here, so here I wanna show you a comment. Actually today one of you guys comment me, now as you can see, as you saw. So now here I wanna say, okay, so यहाँ पे मैं हिंदी में बताना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि ये बहुत ही बेसिक चीज़ है, ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे so here I meant to say guys, before you move on to making this kind of sentences, first you have to make sure that you are knowledgeable about tense. Yes, if you guys don't know about tense, then you are not gonna make this kind of sentences, right? So that is why before you move on to making this kind of sentences, first you have to make sure that you are knowledgeable about tense. बिकॉज यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, जैसे कि मैं आपको एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ, ठीक है? आपका क्वेश्चन क्या है कि आपका क्वेश्चन यह है कि काउज आर ग्रेजिंग, या फिर एक में इज एक में आर है, ठीक है? या फिर दूसरा वाला जो सेंटेंस है, ओके मैं देख ले रहा हूँ, ठीक है? मैं यहाँ पे कंफ्यूज हो रहा हूँ। तो यहाँ पे आपका सेंटेंस है माई कैटल्स इज, तो यहाँ पे जो कि गलत है, ठीक है? इज अगर है थर्ड पर्सन के साथ, थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर, यानी कि फर्स्ट पर्सन पहले समझ लो, फर्स्ट पर्सन में सुनने वाला यानी जिसको मैं कह रहा हूँ, तो वो सेकंड पर्सन यानी कि आप, ठीक है? आप लोग हो सेकंड पर्सन, और जिसके बारे में चर्चा की जा रहा है, ठीक है, तो वो थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर अगर हो, जैसे कि ही, सी, इट, नेम, ठीक है? या फिर दे भी हो सकता है, तो ये अभी दूर रखो, ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे ही, सी, इट, नेम सिंगुलर में, ठीक है, इस तरह का रह गया, जैसे कि ही या फिर इट या फिर नेम, कुछ भी ऐसा अगर आ जाए तो उसके साथ इज लगेगा, ये हमेशा ध्यान रखना। और यही अगर थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल हो तो वहाँ पर आप समझना कि वहाँ पर आपको आर यूज़ करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? जैसे कि अगर एक बछड़ा की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, तो माई काफ या माई एनिमल इज ग्रेजिंग, राइट? और अगर दोनों को लेकर ही बोलना है तो माई काउज, तो अगर माई को लेकर चलना है तो माई काउज आर आ जाएगा, ठीक है? माई काउज आर ग्रेजिंग। और यहाँ पे ये भी इस तरह से भी बना सकते हो, द लगा करके बना सकते हो, द काउ इज ग्रेजिंग, यानी कि मैं एक ही बात कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? उसी तरह से अगर दोनों को लेकर ही बनाना हो सेंटेंस, तो द काउज आर ग्रेजिंग, राइट? तो सबसे पहले तो आपको ये कहना चाहूँगा कि आपको सेंटेंस बनाने का तरीका पता होना चाहिए। जैसे कि अगर मैं इस सेंटेंस को अगर बनाऊँ तो कुछ ऐसे बनेगा, जैसे सबसे पहले इसका बेसिक पता होना चाहिए, ठीक है, कि सेंटेंस कैसे बनता है। जैसे कि इस सेंटेंस में लेकर आपको बनाता हूँ, ठीक है? जैसे कि क्या था, माई काउज आर ग्रेजिंग, सबसे पहले तो ये हो जाएगा, ठीक है? और उसके बाद वो सेंटेंस में पहुँचोगे जो आपने वहाँ पे दी हो, ठीक है? तो सबसे पहले ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है कि माई काउज आर ग्रेजिंग, माई काउज आर नॉट ग्रेजिंग। एफर्मेटिव से ये नेगेटिव बन गया, अब इसको इंट्रोगेटिव बनाओ, आर माई काउज ग्रेजिंग। उसके बाद आ जाओ WH में, वाई माई काउज आर ग्रेजिंग, वाई माई काउज आर नॉट ग्रेजिंग, ठीक है? वाई माई काउज आर नॉट ग्रेजिंग, ये सेंटेंस आपने लिखा है जो कि थोड़ा बहुत गलत है, ठीक है? तो कुछ ऐसे बनेगा। और जो कि आपका पहला सेंटेंस था तो उसमें थर्ड पर्सन के साथ सिर्फ एज, थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर के साथ सिर्फ इज लगेगा, ठीक है? और आपने दोनों काउ की यहाँ पे जिक्र होता है तो आर लगेगा, वो चीज़ ध्यान रखना है, ठीक है? तो हो जाएगा माई काउज आर ग्रेजिंग, ठीक है? और जो दूसरा सेंटेंस था, दूसरा सेंटेंस हो जाएगा व्हाई माई काउज आर नॉट ग्रेजिंग, राइट? सो आई होप आई मेड यू अंडरस्टैंड प्रॉपर्ली। ओके, सो आई होप कि आपको तो समझ में आ गया होगा। अगर इसी तरह का और भी अगर कुछ ऐसा प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप पूछ सकते हो, बेझिझक कमेंट आप ही के लिए है। तो यहाँ तक वीडियो देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत दिल से धन्यवाद एंड बाय बाय।